Take apart a hard drive. What is inside? I don't know. We're going to find out though, eh? Okay, now the main reason I'm taking this apart is I'm getting rid of the computer and I don't want the data that's inside there to be out in the wide world. So, let's take one apart and see what's inside. Before we start, please like and subscribe. It'll help me out. Okay, let's find out what's inside. Okay, so first let's take a look. These are tiny Torx. So I went through and the 10s don't fit. So I happen to have a T9 right here, and that guy fits. It's not the most comfortable style to use. Well, I've never really taken one of these apart before, so while I was doing the front cover, it appears that I kind of missed one of the screws. It doesn't want to come apart very well when you have one of the screws holding it together. You'll see. Oh no, really? Bet you this is stainless steel. Didn't see that guy. And this is the powerful magnet that I heard about. That is a very powerful magnet. I wonder how I get it off. There's another one under here too. And yes, this did work when I took it apart. It's got a polish to it, I tell you. Nice. Don't know what they're made out of though. It's made out of a metal. Nice little motor. Wonder how these magnets are bonded onto here. It's rubber. Oh, ow. Extremely powerful magnets. I wonder if I could chisel these off with a chisel. Break the bond. That's basically it. The housing, some rubber junk, two very I'm going to keep them apart. Two very powerful magnets. Very powerful magnets. A couple of rings on the inside. Nicely machined stuff. Don't know what I'm going to do with these yet. It's non-magnetic, so it could be, and they're light, so they're probably aluminum. I can use these for something. Don't know what yet. Use them for something. Figure out how to pop these guys off. Okay, this magnet will come off with a sharp blow. It's plated. So the magnet's plated, and it will come off in razor sharp little nubs here. These magnets are extremely strong, so I suggest that you leave the magnets exactly where they are and cut the bracket around the magnet. This guy's going directly into the garbage. Same with the base that's on here. See, it's plating. It's sticking that on there somehow. So this guy here, what I'll end up doing, because I know I won't be able to remove it that way, I'll probably cut around the bracket if I need it, or I can just use it as a magnet because it sticks extremely well as it is. Well, I hope that you enjoyed the video. What seems to be the most dangerous part about taking this apart were those magnets. When they slammed together, they pinched pretty tight. I actually used a chisel to knock it off of its sitting, and it shattered the magnet. So it left some pretty sharp shards as well. So I didn't want to play with that, so I just turned around and threw that in the trash right away. Well, if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. It's free, and it'll help me out. Thank you for watching the video, and have a great night.